y'all, this is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm, and I'm going to show you a little trick. This Thanksgiving, while I was cooking and getting out different serving utensils, I noticed that a lot of my old antique silver pieces were completely tarnished. So I'm going to show you a really quick trick on how to make that tarnish go away without using any toxic chemicals. First thing you want to do is line a deep container, I would say at least 2-3 inches deep, with aluminum foil. Put in your silver pieces. You want to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I just sprinkle it on there. Then you want to add 1 to 2 cups. If you need more to make it deeper, which I do, I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of baking soda. Add 2 more cups of boiling water. Next, you need to let your silver sit in the water and the baking soda for about 2 to 5 minutes. If it's stubborn tarnish and it hasn't been cleaned for a while, it may take longer. If you have really stubborn tarnish, you can add a cup of pot vinegar. Okay, when you've let it set for your time that you think is appropriate, like I said, sometimes the longer you let it sit, the cleaner it gets. My pieces are very old. They're antiques. Most of them are from like the 1900s. Some of them are late 1800s. So a lot of my silver plate is actually gone. So I don't expect significant improvements on mine. On one of mine, I can see the back of it, and it is really nice, but I haven't turned it over to see what the front side looks like. It's a serving piece, and I suspect the back side will look better than the front because probably it's more worn. The silver plate is worn off on the front. So let me put this camera down and I'll start getting these out of here and rinse them off, and we'll dry them off and buff them up with a soft towel and see how they look. Okay, I've got them rinsed off and dried them off, and you can see like I was saying, the back came out really nice. This back came out nice, all shiny. And actually there was an improvement on this front of this one. This one I think is just so old that you can see where the silver still is because it came out nice and shiny. So that one. This one was a little bit of an improvement, especially on the back again. Again, you can see where the silver plate still is because it got shiny, and where the silver plate's completely gone. And then we have a tea strainer back. So it doesn't matter if I had chemicals on these or not. If there's no silver to polish, it wouldn't be any more improvement than just using the baking soda. But this one still has a lot of silver on it, so you can still see it turned out nice and shiny and pretty. So much better option than using all those stinky chemicals in my house and on my utensils. And I hope this trick helps you. I've used it on mugs and silver goblets. I've used it on decorative pieces. So go ahead and give it a try and see if it works for you. And thanks for joining us today. It's been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Bye.